if you're ready to start living in the year 3000, you gotta check out Gamma. It is gonna make you feel like a genius. It is the #1 tool that people walk away from my workshops knowing that they're going to use and start using immediately. And no, I'm not getting compensated for any of this. It is just that cool of a tool. So let's get into it. There are a few different ways. This is the home page for you to create a Gamma, and there's also down the column here on the left are some templates and inspiration. You can actually create your own themes if you're not really thrilled with the ones that they provide for you, but they are really cool. I just made one for my business with the colors and with the fonts, and you can do the same for yours. So in the Gammas, you can create slideshows, you can create documents, and you can even create websites, like entire websites. I put in my AI for Educators website, and Gamma went to town. I mean, it is beautiful. I had to upload a few pictures, but it just did it for me. I am terrible at design. Like, I cannot figure out what looks good with what and what colors and all of that stuff. I do the content, Gamma does all the design. It's really great. So I wanted to show you, here's a slideshow that my cohort, my doctoral cohort and I were working on together. And no offense, guys, but it is kind of boring with just black and white text and whatnot. So I downloaded it as a slideshow, and then I imported it through here. You can actually either import here, or you can create new and then import through here. The other things that you could do if you're interested, I like to sometimes have a chat with chat. Sorry, pun intended. And then once we're finished developing all of the ideas, then I say, okay, could you take this output and prepare it ready for Gamma? And then it comes up with a concise thing that I then paste into Gamma, and Gamma runs with it. Likewise, you could just generate your ideas with one prompt. I had a colleague who put in, make a slideshow about the anxious generation and our comprehensive plan. And then she put in our comprehensive plan, boom, 30 seconds, done. It was phenomenal. Now, obviously, we go back and we edit and we make it ours, and we make it so that we feel like we can present it. But this is how you save so much time, have things still aesthetic and beautiful, and get to retain your own voice and enthusiasm for what you're teaching. So if you import the file or the URL like I did with this slideshow that I showed you, and it's going to come up with this image. So the first thing that I do is go over here on the left and I look and see what I want to do. Do I want to generate just from the details? Do I want to condense it? I actually had a colleague who took his 30-slide presentation for his honors class, and he had him condense it because, full disclosure, the free version is only 10 slides max, I believe, or cards they call them. But anyway, so he condensed it. It condensed it to 8 slides. Imagine the power of that when you're planning for school and for your lectures or for your sharing of your information. You can also, and this is what I most of the time do, is preserve it. So it will keep the most amount of my original content. It will keep the language as close as it can. And then it's just going to reformat and make it really, really pretty. You just pick a theme. And then you can also develop some AI images, and it will just automatically select. You can also decide the art style. That's really cool. I kept it with a photorealistic, but you can do whatever makes sense for you. It does lay out the different cards. So like, for example, this is just the first title card, title slide, and then there's information on this one. Now this still looks pretty simplistic. Oh look, it's going to keep one of my pictures from the original slideshow. And then you can of course include additional instructions. Once you generate it though, and I'm going to go back because it's already generated so you don't have to see the generation process, but once it's generated, you can go in and continue editing, and look at how beautiful this is. I mean, the colors are nice. You've got some more easily accessible language or the organization. You've got some pictures here that are AI generated, including the pictures that we had on the slideshow to begin with. And then you can just edit it one by one by one. Amazing, right? So if you are in need of a slideshow and you need it quick and you know exactly what it is that you're going to be talking about, give Gamma a try. Let me know how it goes. If you like this video, click subscribe and come and watch some more of these videos so you can learn how to use AI to help out your teaching.